What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is me, Jessica, and today I'm super excited to be bringing you a first impression / demo tutorial on the new Photo Focus Dewy foundation from Wet n Wild. I picked her up in the shade Soft Beige from Ulta, and yeah, so if you're interested and want to see my first impressions on the foundation and what I think about it, then we're gonna go ahead and get started. But before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and read you guys off what it says about the foundation. I did pick it up in the shade Soft Beige, which is the same shade I have in the original matte foundation. So the packaging is pretty much the same, but although this soft beige right here does look a little bit more tinted, a little more darker than this one does. But let me go ahead and read off the description of what the foundation says. It was $6.49 at Ulta is where I picked it up at. It says the newest innovation to the cult favorite Wet n Wild Photo Focus franchise Dewy foundation. A weightless, super nourishing foundation that delivers natural all-day wear. Silky and creamy, coverage is easily buildable from medium to full, and it easily transitions from day to night wear. Ideal for normal to dry skin, this moisturizing formula blends seamlessly, blurs imperfections, and helps minimize the appearance of pores for a perfectly smooth, dewy finish. So it does have the same like paddle applicator as the original as well, so everything is pretty much the same except the fact that it is meant for dry skin. So we're going to put it on today with a beauty blender. What I'm going to do right now is go ahead and add some primer, and I'm going to be using my fave Skin Smoothing Pore Perfecting Bobbi Brown primer. Up close and personal, and I'm just gonna go straight from the paddle to my face. Oh, that might have been a little too much. Let's go in. My beauty blender is damp, of course, and she does have kind of a smell like the original one does. It doesn't stink, it's kind of a fresh smell. She's blending out really nice. Shade looks good. Those 3-4 swipes pretty much got this whole side of my face, or with one side of the face done. Let's see if we can cover this bad boy up. I'm just gonna try and do the same swipes. Okay, so right now we have one coat on. What do we think? I think I definitely look dewy, which I'm living for. I don't know if I want to add any more. I think what I'll do is just add a little drop to my cheeks where my little scars are. Just a little bit. Right there. I added a little bit more on that side. Come in a little bit closer so you guys can see exactly what my skin is looking like, which I think my overall like appearance of my pores are looking a little bit better. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I received like an at-home microdermabrasion little tool thing from Spa Sciences, and I've used it twice already, and not only do I feel like my makeup looks better on, but I've noticed, like, I don't know if my pores just don't look as enlarged. So I'm not sure if it's from the tool, but I think it kind of is, because that's the only thing besides like using this new sponge that I've done, and that my makeup just looks a lot better than it has on my face. So this is what we're looking like. Like I said, what I'm going to do is just run through a little bit of concealer with you guys and see how it blends into the foundation, and I'll go ahead and add some powder as well so we can just see how that looks. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer that I just did a review on, and right there, and right here. That's about it for today. Just got to go to a dentist appointment for Jake, so I'm not going to go too crazy today. The concealer is blending in very, very nice with this foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Real Techniques powder sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and set this whole face. So I have finished my face, the foundation and concealer and powder. So what I'm going to do is show you an up close, and then I'm going to finish my makeup off camera, and I will come back and we'll see what I'm looking like, and as usual I'll give you kind of my thoughts on the foundation, which I think it looks really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and finish our makeup off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look and kind of give you, like I said, my thoughts and how I feel about the foundation as of now. So yeah, I will be right back. Okay guys, so I finally completed my makeup. I just did something quick and easy for today. I added the Becca Glow Gloss and Lip Intuitive. So it's just a clear gloss, a little bit of a pink tint is what I have on. Added some Red Cherry number 43 lashes, and I'm ready to tell you my opinion about the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. So first of all, let's just zoom in a little bit. You guys, look how good my skin looks. I mean, not to brag, but really, it looks really good. Even though I did have this baby right here, you can tell the foundation does not look like it has stuck or made it a dry spot. It looks even. My skin looks even, it looks dewy, and it looks fresh. So let me know what you guys think, but so far I've had this on, let's see, I ended the video at 1:37, it's 1:57 now, so it took me about 20 minutes to finish all of this, and I think my skin looks great. I'm so excited to see how it's going to wear out the rest of the day, but I have a feeling that I'm going to love it. Now, compared to this one, I love this one as well, and even though I am dry in the summer and sometimes even in the winter when my skin's really hydrated, this baby comes in clutch as well. Wet n Wild, I think, definitely did something when creating these two foundations, because I love them both and I can wear them both, as you can see. Maybe I'll do like a wear test and we can really like see the difference of both of these. Maybe we'll see. But yeah, you guys, look how glowy and fresh I look. I did set my face with the Morphe setting spray and then just lightly went in with my Real Techniques sponge and just pressed everything in. So I'm super pumped to go out and wear my makeup today, even though I'm just going to take Jacob to the dentist. Yeah, overall my first impressions, thumbs up. I love how it looks. I think, especially since I did have a little breakout going on, we got to see exactly how it works with that, if it's going to make your skin more dry or not, which I don't think it does. The coverage, I mean, you can still see that there, but it was buildable. We did build it up a little bit on the cheeks, and I really like overall how my face looks. So if you're on the fence about trying this, you have dry skin, go try it. I know Walmart, it is like $1.50 cheaper than it was at Ulta, but I did use some points. So I got this baby for like $3. So yeah, that is my first impressions on the new Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and watching me try it out. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys aren't, and I will catch you in my next video.